Greetings, YouTube, and welcome. We're here at the house today. I'd like to welcome you all. If you're new, go ahead and like, subscribe, share. I'm coming at you today. I wanted to show you what I got from in the mail today. This is a small unboxing. I've been trying to increase the quality of my videos. So I found this on Wish and I went ahead and ordered it. What we have here is a little lavalier mic, a little lavalier condenser microphone. I've had it in my Wish cart for quite a little while, and they ended up taking and knocking the price down from $24 to $2, including shipping. So I went ahead and bought it. Now here's what I'm going to do. I just wanted to show all of you this. I'm going to pause the video just for a second. We're going to try it out and see how it sounds. So give me 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and hit the pause button and we'll be right back with you. Stand by. Okay, and we're back. I've got the microphone attached to the phone and I've got it attached to my collar. I don't know if you can hear any difference, but I hope you can. As you can see, right there's the declaration, customs declaration. It did not come with any kind of instructions. I guess you just got to figure it out. So we'll work on it together. There is a few people I'd like to holler at. MD 95 TSI, where you at, son? Yeah, I ain't forgot about you. How about you, Crystal Justice? Sure do miss y'all. Captain Cook, I've been watching you 3D print anything and everything you could think of. Well done, sir. Lisa Beatty, one of my newest subscribers. Raymond Millwood. How you doing, brother? Nevertheless, all you subscribers, I appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, any ideas to change things around so you like it better, let me know. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I hope all of you are having a fine, fine day. It's absolutely beautiful here in Georgia today. Nearly 70 degrees, sun shining. Absolutely beautiful outside. I hope you have a beautiful day. May the Lord be with each and every one of you. May He give you peace and comfort. This is the Silver Top Flyer, signing off.